Hey guys, Sportshot here, and I will be showing you one of the best ways to get free Robux on Roblox. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click the link in the description and follow along what I'm doing. So you're going to want to log in or make an account. It's pretty easy. Then there's the home page. Just shows you the steps. These are a few things that supported: Rick, RuneScape, Steam, Roblox, League of Legends, Habbo, Crossfire, and Karma Coin. You get 5 free points when you start. And here are some statistics about the website. There are 1.4 million registered users. There's 4,200 plus available offers, and there's 46 million almost 47 million Robux earned through the site, and 600,000 payouts made. As you can see down here, the best way to earn points is watch and earn. More about that later. You can contact them at Discord at their own Discord server through email or through Twitter, and they have a disclaimer here that they are not affiliated with any games or companies shown on this website, and use of logos or trademarks are for reference purposes only. Same here with this video. Okay, so I'm going to go to earn points. So this is how you earn points. Just kind of explanatory. But then you go to watch and earn. This is the best way to do it. And then go to engageme.tv/viral videos, and it should say earn unlimited points. You can click that, scroll up, and you'll find it here, and you can watch videos for every ad you want, and you'll earn for every ad you watch. Your points will be fully credited after 3 ad watches, and it opens a new window, and you can get started and click /tap the button below right here. You can click that. It'll bring you to a new thing, but I won't show it here because you can still do it on your own time. Just have the ads playing while you're asleep, and you will learn a lot. But make sure to turn your computer volume down all the way so it doesn't annoy anyone else or anything like that. And then there are a few other things you can do. If you are on mobile, you can download mobile apps. This is another pretty okay way to earn points. And then here are some other things. I wouldn't trust it. The best thing to do is watch and earn if you have a PC, or mobile apps if you're on mobile. And a laptop is able to do watch and earn. It's just, at least on my Android device, watch and earn doesn't really work at all. But it probably should work for Apple and Samsung. So yeah, those are a few things you can do. Like download a game, reach level 5 for 27 points. Next, you can go to cash out. This is how you do it. It'll show you what is online or offline, i.e. available or not available. You can do Robux, Counter-Strike, League of Legends, RuneScape, PUBG, Steam Credit, Rick gift cards, Crossfire, Habbo, and Karma Coin. But if you're here for what I think you're here for, is to get free Robux. And yeah, so this is the best one because it refills its group with funds every night, so it'll never really run out, and you can always withdraw whenever you want. But you have to make sure that you have at least 15. I do not have 15. I only have 6 in my account because I already withdrawed a bit earlier. And an error message should pop up. You need to withdraw at least 15. But I'm going to show you here that I have more than 15. I have 75 currently. I had 110. Well, at least I earned 110 throughout the night, or through the day. But Roblox ripped me off on a purchase, and yeah, it costed 35 Robux for a piece of audio that was 59 seconds long. And then it cut it down to 3 seconds, turned the quality down a lot, and then gave it to me, and then gave it to literally everybody else available on the market. I'll just show you proof and show you how much Robux I've earned. So you can go to summary, and past year. So throughout the year, I've made over 1,000 Robux, 1,279 Robux in just from the OP rewards thing. I haven't made any trades, nothing like that really. Yeah, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get more referrals, so if you guys can help me out and use the link that I posted below, I can get more referrals, and this is just the stats that I have now. I have 16 referrals currently active, 46 people that actually looked into it, kind of, but didn't make an account, 44 points I've earned, and 276. Now, make sure you sign up with the referral, especially if you're on mobile. If you're on mobile, then you'll earn an extra 10%, because I get, I think, 20%, and I give half of that to you. So you'll get an extra 10% back if you download mobile apps. But some of them can be tricky. But yeah. Remember to, if you are on mobile or you have any mobile device at all, to your, like, that is yours, sign up with the referral link below, and you could earn 10 points, or 10% back on everything. So say you earn 100 points. Nope, not 100 points, it's 110. Okay. So let's go to the leaderboard. This is another pretty interesting feature. So it says here 10 random users on the leaderboard will receive 1,000 points every month. So it'll just choose randomly. Everybody here has a 1% chance of getting 1,000 Robux every month. That is a lot. That is more than Builders Club. And that's all for free. But currently the admin, or the owner, is at the top because he had to test everything out and all that, and yeah. And then here are some more people. Currently the bottom is 8,037. It was 7,997 last time I checked before I started recording. So it has gone up a little bit, but that's still okay. So let's go back up here. Go to more, and jackpot. This is another interesting feature. It's a jackpot, which is a gambling game, which I do not suggest doing at all, because it's probably the worst thing that you can do on this website, which will essentially make you lose points. But if you want to, you can gamble, and you could possibly earn a lot of points out of the pool. But it is very risky because only the winner receives points. There are no refunds on deposits, so play at your own risk. And be careful if you're trying to refresh the page after making a deposit, because it will resubmit the form and make you pay double into the pot, which you might not want to do. So do not refresh the page until, like, say you insert into the pot, and then just go back to jackpot. And that would be good, right? So, yeah, that was essentially the whole website. Remember to use the link that I provide below. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and this was how to get free Robux.